If you run a local business, Google My Business, GMB, Insights is a crucial tool to understand how customers find and interact with your business online. Insights provide detailed analytics about your listing, helping you make data-driven decisions to improve visibility and engagement. First, let's look at how customers find you. GMB Insights shows whether people find your business through a direct search, typing your business name or address, or through a discovery search, where they search for a category, product, or service you offer. This helps you understand whether your brand recognition is strong or if you're being discovered primarily through relevant searches. Next, you can see where customers find your business online. Insights break down searches from Google Search versus Google Maps, letting you know where your audience is engaging with your listing. This is valuable for local marketing, as it shows whether customers are actively looking for directions or information. Another important section is customer actions. Insights track how people interact with your listing, whether they visit your website, request directions, call your business, or view photos. You can see trends over time and measure which actions are increasing or declining, giving you clues about what content or updates resonate most with your audience. GMB Insights also provides information on photo views and customer engagement. You can see how often your photos are viewed compared to competitors in your category. High-quality, updated photos can significantly improve engagement and make your listing stand out. Finally, insights show queries used to find your business and audience demographics when available. This data helps you optimize your listing with relevant keywords, better descriptions, and targeted updates to attract more potential customers. Overall, Google My Business Insights is more than just numbers. It's a guide to understanding your local audience, improving your listing, and making smarter marketing decisions that drive traffic, calls, and visits to your business. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand Google My Business Insights and how to use them effectively, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more local business tips, digital marketing strategies, and online growth hacks. Comment below and tell me, have you checked your GMB Insights lately? What did you learn about your customers?